Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ChatGPT for LinkedIn messaging templates step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in ChatGPT's official website URL and press enter. Once the website has loaded, look for the login option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page where you need to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, look for the sign up option and follow the prompts to create one. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the messaging tools or templates section. In this section, you will find various categories of LinkedIn messaging templates. Choose a category that suits your needs, such as networking, job inquiries, or follow-ups. Click on the preferred template to view its content. You can edit the template to customize it according to your specific situation. After making the necessary adjustments, copy the final version to your clipboard. Now, open LinkedIn in a new tab. Navigate to the connection or messaging area on LinkedIn. Choose the contact you wish to message or start a new conversation. Paste the customized message into the text box. Review the message one last time for any final adjustments. When you're satisfied, hit the send button to deliver your message. That's it. You've successfully logged into ChatGPT and created a LinkedIn messaging template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.